Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Porsche of Nashua, we have a car I've wanted to try ever since I tried the GT4. This is the 2016 Porsche Boxster Spyder. So this is the Cayman GT4 with a removable roof, and it is sick. Look at this spec. White on black with yellow accents, yellow pull strap. Of course, manual seats to save weight. Here's your cup holders. Again, sweet spec. Let's check this out here. 375 horsepower. What options do you have? Bi-xenon headlights, the PLS, wind deflector, PCCB. Oh, that's pretty cool. I wonder why the brakes are so good. Leather steering wheel, seat heating, smoking pack, even though this is a non-smoker car. Bose surround, Bluetooth, for a current price of $108,000, which is not half bad to say the least. Love that Alcantara. Obviously, you do have active exhaust, which sounds the part. Rev matching in Sport Plus, with the spoiler up, exhaust on. Without further ado, let's go for a drive. I absolutely adore this car. It is such a riot to drive. It's so analog. I mean, compared to what I've driven. Obviously, the 993 Turbo is a bit more analog than this. But for a modern car, what a machine. Also, listen to this. Yeah, it's got crackles, and they are loud as can be. Thing is with this powertrain is it's all up top. But my God, does it rip. It absolutely pulls like a freight train. And I'm 99% sure I was short shifting too. It's just, oh my God, unlike anything I've driven. Actually, no, it's very similar to the GT3 RS, but with a manual transmission. Oh my God, what a way to start today. Oh, I just missed my exit. Whatever. Listen, this is my commute to and from work, and I literally basically just went home. That's what happened. I was taking this car home. I don't know how I managed that one, but I did, so whatever. least now you get to hear those downshifts. I'm at 4,000 RPM and I can still do this. Oh, ready? Come on! There's no reason for this car to be that good. There's no reason. Oh my God. And I thought the Cayman GT4 was good. I wish it was warmer out. I could take this top off. That is awesome. Oh my goodness. This car is something special. Oh. If it was only a little bit cheaper, I would have one. And the thing is, you look at the base Boxsters and the base Caymans, they have this special feeling to them. They're not on this level, of course, but my God, are they fun. Obviously, I don't daily drive a manual anymore. I can't tell you how heavy the clutch is because obviously my foot's a little sore. I haven't used this leg in a while. Clutch feels not bad. It's a little heavier, extremely easy to set off. Just don't give it any gas. Drive it like a Carrera GT. And just don't give it any gas. Slowly release the clutch. It will rev itself up and you're good to go. And, I mean, it has plenty of torque. It's so lightweight. I don't even know if that says what this thing weighs, but it's definitely lightweight. Even though these are shorter gear ratios, I mean, I'm cruising 76 miles an hour, right about 3,000 RPM. This engine is so happy in the upper RPMs that it just doesn't phase it. No way. Oh my God. Oh, I have not driven anything like that in a while. Oh, I am sorry for the pure emotional aspect of this drive, but I am sorry. I am sorry this car is that good. Wow. Okay, this definitely is up there with one of my favorites. For a car around here in New England, I cannot think of a better weekend toy. Oh, I just want to take this thing up to the Kangamangas, Hurricane Mountain, actually no, not Hurricane Mountain Road. that road's a little bit too much for this. But I just want to take this thing on some back roads and absolutely enjoy the ever-living daylights out of it. And let me tell you this car will take it. Oh, obviously you got PCCB, so it's got brakes for days. This would be an autocross weapon. So I'm gonna quiet it down because people might be sleeping in these neighborhoods. That's the other aspect too. Even with the exhaust closed, it still sounds pretty good. It just quiets it down. I'm honestly surprised how well these tires accepted heat today. It's 44 degrees out. I drove it for a short amount of time just to warm everything up, not pushing it. The first time I floored it was on video, and these tires accepted heat pretty well. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.